We got some new cars in this week. I'll walk around the lot, show them to you. That way you know what we got. It's about that time. Let's go for a lot walk. Welcome back, guys. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're gonna walk around the car lot, point out some of the new cars that we got in. That way you know exactly what we picked up this week. We're also gonna do a test drive on each and every car here, show you how they run and drive. So hit subscribe, share this channel, hit like, and we're gonna get started here. We got a lot on the lot. I think we put 10 on. So this should be fun. Lots of new stuff here. I got to do 4 more test drives today to keep up. It's crazy how it was going last week. You'll see we got a few cars that we had fast sales. Well, I'd get the video done, day would pass, the car would sell. I start ahead of time the week prior doing my videos so that I can have all this stuff ready for y'all. And just so happens some people come in, they'll see the car before we list them, see what we're gonna price it, end up leaving with it. You can do that yourself too. Come on up Friday afternoon. Saturdays we're closed here, and of course we're a family business, pretty close to 40 years of service here. So let's get started. Check out maplemotors.com. I have finance and shipping options and 100 detailed pictures on every ride. So what I want to do is walk by each and every car that is available, tell you the year, the price, and I'll go to the next one. Right off the rip, in the corner of the lot, 1968 Impala. This one's 19.9. Right next to that is a 1966 Chevelle. It's a 4-speed car and it's 36.9. Answer a quick question a lot of people ask constantly. Do you look for cars for certain individual people? No. We update every Monday with new inventory, and I need you to watch the website around 11 o'clock on Mondays. That'll get you the car that you want. We don't take numbers, we don't do any of that stuff. We just put it up on Monday and y'all give me a call if you're interested. 1969 Chevelle, this one's 31.9. That's new inventory right there. I gotta do the test drive today. Right next to that, 71 Chevelle. This one's 28.9. Right next to that, 72 Chevelle. 454, 36.9. We just picked this one up, 2014 model Mustang, 3.7 car, 6B, 16.9. My favorite year Camaro, 1969 model, 29.9. So we've hit the front row now, heading on down. There's a couple more Camaros we got here. This is 71. This one's 23.9. Another 71 sitting right beside it, 27.9, 5-speed car. Sometimes you'll come up to the lot and you'll see hold on the windshield. Hold does not mean sold until it says sold. So hold actually gives somebody time to send money if they need financing. We know they're going to get it done. We'll give you, a day or so, unless you send a down payment on the car, and then you'll get up to a week. All right, right next to that, 1966 Mustang Convertible. This one's $24,900. We got a 1973 model Mustang. This one's $17,900. Right next to that, we got a Le Mans Convertible. This is a 69 model dressed up as a GTO with a Judge stickers. $25,900. Just past that, a 1978 Trans Am with the retro sticker kit. This one also has T-tops, and it's $17,900. All right, that's front row and side row here. We're gonna go ahead and walk on through the rest of the lot. Let's go check the showroom out real quick, and we'll come back out and continue with the rat rod truck. I'll be back in just a moment. Off in the showroom here, we got the 68 Mustang Convertible, a $27,900 on that one. Right next to it, we picked up this Impala Convertible. I don't know if you've seen the video, I just put it on. It's $39,900. It's a 1967 model. And this thing is beautiful. I was tempted, I'm not gonna lie. I was real tempted. But I got my eyes set on something right now, so can't have them all. That's one thing about working here. You'll get tempted pretty much on a daily basis. Like this truck. This was Jason's truck. It already sold a personal ride. It sold pretty fast. There was a customer that come up all the time and bought stuff from us. He's a local. It's got air ride, AC, all the goodies. But I marked it sold pretty much instantly. Didn't take very long at all. The video is out. You can watch it. Right next to that, 87 T-Type. One of the first videos that I'm gonna do today. This one's $27,900. Turbo 6-cylinder car. This one here is a personal ride. It is not for sale and will not be for sale. I don't think he'll ever actually get rid of this one. But this is Jeff's K5 Blazer. He only parked it in here because it was a chance of rain. But you know, he's got to drive it. Same with Jason's. His Camaro's not for sale. He's had it in here a little while. The Mustang, it's not for sale either. The Chevelle Convertible 34.9 is for sale. I think this was a 66 model. All right. Well, working on the rest of the showroom here. I think we've done got everything. Let's go on over to Pops' Hot Wheels room, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to Jim's Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. And we'll go on back out to the lot. Welcome back. Jim's Hot Wheels room. Anytime you come up to Maple Motors, you can check this out. Huge collection of toys. Just got them in the cases. Got the dollar cars for the kids. And it works out from there. There's $3 cars, $4 cars. Some are 20, some are 100. Just depends on how rare it is. But be sure to go over there, check his channel out. And if you're interested, say something while you're here at Maple Motors and we'll bring you to the room. Then we got a little rat rod truck. This thing was pretty sick. Video will be out today on it. It's a 1954 3100 pickup truck. Definitely worth checking out. That was a fun test drive for $14,900. affordable rat rod. Coming on over a little bit. 1956 model 210. Very clean car inside and out. Come down the body on this one. Nice and clean. American racing rims. Disc brakes in the front. Chrome bumpers all the way around. They're all new. Dual exhaust out the back. $35,900 on this one. Got the Impala Fastback back here. It's on hold right now. I'm pretty serious guy. I'm gonna go ahead and consider this one sold. But it was a 1967 Impala for $27,900. We also sold the 69 Firebird. It's already gone. Right next to that's a 72 Monte Carlo, $14,900. Custom interior. And videos are out and available of this one. That way you know everything about it. 1977 Cutlass Supreme, $12,900. 1979 model big block C10 Silverado, $19,900 on this one. I believe this one's got the 454. '87 Sierra Classic. This one's $18,900. And then of course we've got the 1986 model C10 pickup truck for $19,900 right beside it. Guys, last but not least, just picked this one up. It's a 1967 Caprice for $14,900. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got a lot of videos to get to today. That way y'all can have the test drives of these cars. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. That way you can get financing and shipping. We have that available for you. We're picking up quite a few Chevelles this week. That's good. We've been running low for a while. It's definitely the hottest selling car on the lot. I'd have to say maybe Chevelle's, Impala, Camaro, Mustang. Probably that order. Very popular cars. Here on YouTube, we've got a lot of test drive videos. Something to help everybody out. Go to my playlist section here at my main channel. It'll say cars currently available at Maple Motors. That weeds out all of the old videos that we have, and we leave them on there to show past inventory. And I'll mark all of them sold and take them off of the current available list. It makes things a lot easier. I know some people are like, oh, I can't find your ones that you have online. You can also do the year, the model, Maple Motors, and hashtag stock number. You can do that with any car on the car lot. In the YouTube search bar, it should pop up. Otherwise, you just go to currently available, and it's always a list of about 20 to 30 cars. One more breeze through the lot, and then I'm gonna get back to making some test drive videos. We do have a frequently asked questions section at maplemotors.com now. It's a few paragraphs of different stuff. That way you don't have to call. Some people don't like to call. Some people will email. Just go on over to maplemotors.com, look at all the options that we have available for you. We also have a store where we got the t-shirts, cups, gear, A lot of people want the t-shirts, so they're available on there too. And of course, I'm gonna have another line coming out soon, and we'll give out some promotion codes for y'all for just watching the videos. Yeah, stuff does go pretty quick here. We get about 60 cars a month. Pretty close, 50 to 60, depending on the month. Always getting new inventory. All right. If he don't get this car out of here, I might start driving it. I wouldn't mind having another Cobra. That's a fun car to drive, that's for sure. Of course, don't call about that one. That's Jeff's over there. He's right here. He'd be mad if somebody tried to buy it.
Where do these fit? These come off Nick Chevelle.
You can't have them.
Why?
Because I ain't selling them.
Oh.
This truck was a lot of fun. You definitely should check that video out. I had a blast making it.
The small cans of 134 will be going on sale.
So I'm gonna get back there. I'm gonna help the guys out, get some more cars ready for next week, and get these other 4 cars done today, test drive, so I can release them tomorrow. A lot of times I release a lot of videos Monday, Tuesday, and a little bit Wednesday. By Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I'm pretty much working on the next week's inventory. I used to do daily posts, but instead I'll post 5 a day for about 2 or 3 days, and wipes me out, you know. That's a lot of videos. Especially when each one of these is close to 30 minutes long. All right, I'm definitely gonna do the Chevelle today. I gotta decode it. I'm not 100% sure what motor was in that one. I know this one is a 350, that one's a 454. I believe the Camaro was a 350. You got an inline 6 right there, and you got another 350 right past it. This is a 6-cylinder. You got the 289 on the Mustang. You got the 351 and the convertible Mustang right next to it. I believe this was a 350 in the Le Mans. And I want to say 400 in the Trans Am. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, hit like, share. I'll get you some more videos today, and that should do it for this week's walk around. I haven't decoded this motor yet. I'll be getting to it today. A lot of these came with a 327, so I'll get the numbers off the back, check it. And if you're new to the channel, all the music that's played at the beginning is from Southgate Production. That's me and my band. We get out there and have a little fun. We just joined the Songwriters Association of America this week, so hopefully big things to come. I want to thank you again for watching. And you know, it's about that time. Let's pick one out and go for a ride. See you later.